In the ancient Egyptian pantheon, Bastet is a captivating goddess known for her feline form. Initially revered as a fierce lioness goddess, Bastet embodied the raw power and strength associated with lions, symbolizing protection and ferocity. However, as the domestication of cats became prevalent in Egyptian society, Bastet's image softened and evolved into that of a gentler cat goddess. This transformation reflects the changing relationship between humans and animals, emphasizing the nurturing and affectionate qualities of domestic cats, which became beloved companions in everyday life. Bastet's protective nature extended beyond her feline form. She was specifically invoked to safeguard the home from evil spirits and disease. Just as domestic cats kept granaries free from vermin, Bastet was seen as a guardian of domestic spaces, ensuring that families were shielded from malevolent influences. Her presence offered comfort and security, embodying the idea that home should be a sanctuary. Cultivating a bond with Bastet through worship and rituals provided the ancient Egyptians with a sense of reassurance in their daily lives. In addition to her protective role, Bastet was associated with feminine love, grace, and fertility. She represented the nurturing aspects of femininity, exuding warmth and compassion, often depicted holding a sistrum, an ancient musical instrument used in her joyous festivals. Bastet symbolized celebration and the joys of life. Her festivals were characterized by music, dance, and merriment, reflecting the vibrant and loving qualities she embodied. This connection to love and fertility made Bastet a cherished figure, highlighting the importance of family and relationships in Egyptian culture. In summary, Bastet is a multifaceted goddess whose evolution from a fierce lioness to a gentle cat reflects the intimate relationship between ancient Egyptians and their feline companions. As the protector of homes and a symbol of love and fertility, she occupied a significant place in the hearts and lives of the people. Her legacy continues to resonate, reminding us of the enduring bond between humans and animals, and the power of love and protection in our lives.